What's the meaning of camellia? Camellia. Camellia.
Camellia. Camellia. Camellia is a term that refers to a genus of flowering plants that are native to Asia. The camellia plant produces flowers that come in various colors, including white, pink, and red. The flowers are admired for their beauty and often used as ornamental plants. In some cultures, the camellia flower has significant symbolism and is associated with love, devotion, and longevity. The oil extracted from the seeds of the camellia plant is also used in cooking, cosmetics, and hair care products because of its potential health benefits. Overall, camellia is a beautiful and versatile plant that holds cultural and practical significance in many parts of the world.